Hey guys, Paul from Net Audio here. We're just going to do a quick little tech tip. I know we have a lot more videos on the 1500s, but we have a lot of questions come up with our ANC harness on the HD trucks. So we talk about it on the product post, whatever, on the website, but we just wanted to make a quick video for some clarification on it. 2009 is when the 4th gen trucks started coming out. The 5th gen HD trucks are still based on that chassis. So there's a lot of things that stayed very similar. So in 09 with the Alpine systems, there is a bracket that mounts an amplifier up next to the emergency brake under the dash. 2019 rolls around with the HDs and they use that same location for the base ANC module and the Harman Kardon and the Alpine systems. So what we have here today is a 2024 Ram 2500 with the Harman system. So it's got the amplifier under the dash. And this just uses the standard 2-plug harness. If you have the base ANC system, then it's our 2-plug harness with the 3rd plug for the base ANC. Both applications, they only plug in one way. So it's not super critical that I show you, it's this harness, not this harness, whatever. They will physically not fit in different applications. So if you're trying to plug it in and it's not fitting, you're on the wrong plug. So this is in a very awkward location. Miles already got a picture or some little video showing where the module is. So it's going to be kind of hard to show what we're doing. It's the 3rd plug. It's the white harness that's further back. The connector faces towards the brake pedal. See if I can do this one-handed. I got a camera in my face. I mean, that's literally it. Now, just make sure that our pins or anything didn't wiggle out or anything like that. And that's it. And that's already bypassed. Now, if you want to get this out of the way, then you can definitely tuck this up and put a zip tie around it, just to keep it up and out of the way. But that is all we have to do to bypass the ANC system. So hopefully that answers some questions. We're going to have this posted on the product post, but of course you'll be able to see it on our YouTube page. Thanks, guys.